Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another step-by-step guide. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw your Matic tokens from your Ledger Nano X to Bitrue in 2025. If you're holding Matic on your hardware wallet and want to move it to an exchange for trading or staking, this video is perfect for you. Let's make sure you're doing this securely and efficiently. First things first, before we start, ensure you have your Ledger Nano X set up with the Ethereum or Polygon app installed, since Matic runs on the Polygon network. Double-check that your device is updated to the latest firmware to avoid any compatibility issues. Safety is key in crypto, so always keep your recovery phrase secure and never share it. Alright, let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and unlock it with your PIN. Open the Ethereum app on your Ledger, as Matic is often managed through it. Next, head over to your Bitrue account on your web browser. Log in and navigate to the Deposit or Withdrawal section. Look for the Withdraw button under your Matic wallet. Step 2. In Bitrue, select Matic as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You'll need to enter your Ledger's wallet address. To get this, go back to your Ledger device and use a compatible wallet interface like Ledger Live. Copy the address carefully. Mistakes here could mean lost funds. Step 3. Enter the amount of Matic you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits set by Bitrue. Double-check the network. It should be Polygon or ERC20 compatible. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by reviewing and approving it on the screen. After that, sit tight. The withdrawal might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Bitrue account for the funds to appear. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction ID. And there you have it. Your Matic is now on Bitrue. Remember, always withdraw only what you need and keep the bulk of your crypto in cold storage for security. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.